Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptocurrency Central. Today I want to talk to you about CyberConnect, the innovative Web3 social network that has revolutionized the way we create and connect online. In this video, I will explain what CyberConnect is, how it works, what its tokenomics are, and the presale details. CyberConnect is a decentralized social graph protocol that helps Web3 applications bootstrap network effects. It empowers users to truly own their social identities, contents, and connections in a social network and provides developers with a rich set of tools to build applications with meaningful social experiences. CyberConnect has three main features that focus on users. CyberProfile. This is a self-sovereign decentralized identity that serves as the anchor of your social graph. You can create your own on-chain profile using the ERC 721 standard and use it across different platforms without worrying about recreating your network. You also own your content and monetization channels and can enable on-chain subscriptions, tipping, and more. W3ST. This is a Web3 status token that powers social status building on the internet. W3ST is a Web3 native way of representing status, affiliations, memberships, and endorsements while serving as a user's verifiable digital reputation, corroborated by other CyberProfiles. Social recovery. This is a feature that will allow you to recover your account if you lose access to it. You can use your trusted CyberProfiles as recovery agents and restore your account without relying on a centralized platform. CyberConnect is already deployed on Ethereum, BNB Chain, and Polygon with support for more ecosystems coming soon. It has over 875,000 CyberProfiles and over 7.3 million cumulative transactions across multiple blockchains and decentralized protocols. It also has over 1,500 ecosystem partners and backers that are using CyberConnect to create Web3 native social networks. Now let's talk about the tokenomics of CyberConnect. The native token of CyberConnect is Cyber, which is used for governance and utility purposes. Cyber holders can vote on the protocol's development, access exclusive features and benefits, and participate in the platform's revenue sharing. The total supply of Cyber is 100 million tokens, which are allocated as follows: 3% for Coinlist public sale, 25.12% for private sale, 15% for team and advisors, 34% for ecosystem development, 12% for community rewards, 10.88% for community treasury. The public sale of Cyber will take place on Coinlist, which is a trusted platform for launching high-quality crypto projects. The registration period will end May 15th at 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated and sales will begin May 18th at 1700 hours Universal Time Coordinated. The sale will offer one option, Option A. Option A will 25% unlock at TGE followed by a 6-month linear release starting in Q4 2023. The price per token will be $1.80 for Option A. The total allocation for the sale will be 3 million Cyber. To participate in the sale, you need to register on Coinlist and complete the KYC process. You also need to have a minimum balance of $100 in any supported currency on Coinlist. You can use USDT or USDC to buy CyberConnect tokens. The minimum purchase amount is $100 and the maximum purchase amount is $500. This could be a great opportunity to get early access to CyberConnect, the next generation social network that empowers creators and communities. To take advantage of this chance, you can register for Coinlist from the registration link I gave in the comments. You can reach the sales and project details from the links below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.